Welcome inside a mega factory, building a giant T car, bigger than an aircraft carrier. This is full-scale industrial construction, built like heavy engineering, not automotive.
Today, you'll see the giant T car built from raw structure to finished machine, step by step.
Scale control starts here. Every reference point must stay perfect. A fixed jig keeps the giant car geometry locked from the first weld. Every seam is checked immediately before the structure moves forward. Crossmembers turn rails into a rigid backbone for a giant T car body. Fasteners at this scale are tightened with industrial torque systems. Forming creates strength. Non-destructive testing confirms integrity before heavier systems go in. Even early, routing paths are planned to avoid future conflicts. These wheels are machined like heavy equipment components. Bearings carry the load. Precision here prevents failure later. Hydraulics are routed in protected channels to handle extreme forces. Once it touches wheels, the giant T car becomes a moving structure. Load tests confirm the structure behaves predictably under weight.
Cranes place panels while crews guide millimeter-level fit.
Reinforcement ribs prevent flex across the giant T car body. Doors are balanced like vault panels to move safely and smoothly. Sealing turns a structure into a protected enclosure. Powering a giant car requires systems closer to ships than automobiles. Torque transfer at this scale demands reinforced drivetrains.
Thermal control is critical inside a vehicle this massive.
Fuel storage is armored and isolated for safety.
The driving position resembles an operations bridge.
Safety systems operate independently at every level. Details finalize identity. All systems synchronize for delivery.